Now that's what I'm talking about. Well, maybe not the truck, but some good rain. Fill up those cow tanks, water them crops, grow our garden. That dude just wanted to spin his tires in the rain. I don't blame him. Looks like fun. Just wish he wouldn't do it in front of my house. But that's what you get when you move off the farm and move into town, right on the highway. Much needed rain though. We welcome it. Makes a muddy mess though for a little while. Just figured I'd hop on here and show you all the rain. It's coming down good.